Do you feel that everything goes wrong? Do you feel that bad things only happen to you? Do you get tired at night? Well, this is the video for you. I'm going to outline a few steps and a process to get yourself out of stinkin' thinking. Let's get right into it. So, what you've got is a bad case of stinkin' thinking. It's not that good, not very good, stinkin' thinking. It's not the best thing to have. What can cause stinkin' thinking? We'll find out in a minute. So what causes the stinkin' thinking? Okay, so bad influences for one. You gotta watch out for these people, they're bad. They're not good. They could be people at work. Have you ever gone to work and then you've ran into someone who's like, this is shit, that's shit, look at that, that's shit, everything's shit. If you hang around them people, guess what's gonna happen in about a week? Shit. You're gonna be thinking the exact same thing. It's gonna influence you. You're hanging around that person, it's gonna end up influencing you. So try and stay clear of the stinking thinkins, unless that person at work is you. Okay, so friends, right? If you hang around 5 negative people, you're guaranteed to be the 6th. Check out who the 5 closest people to you are, and if they're negative, bada bing, bada boom. That's how you got negative. Birds flock in a, you know what I'm saying? A YouTuber. You could be watching a negative YouTuber that just talks about toxic stuff. It's not really what you want to be around, because you're filling your brain with toxicity. You're getting all toxic and shit, and you're just going to be toxic everywhere you go. Everything's going to be toxic. You watch it on your phone, you watch it on the computer or whatever, but if you're getting a negativity, you're gonna be negative. What do we learn? So watch out for people at work that are negative, saying everything's shit. Check who your friends are, your 5 closest friends. See what you fill your brain with on TV or on YouTube. Okay, so if you're filling your brain with negative crap, boom, there's your answer. That's where the negativity's coming from. Bing, bang, boom. What's the next one? Exciting goals, okay? So exciting goals. One way to get out of the negative way of thinking that, about negativity and negative crap, to get yourself some exciting goals that excite you. Write down your exciting goals so you have an idea of what it is. Spend some time to think about it. What excites you? What do you want to see in the future? Maybe it's something you want to be shredded. You want to own a house. You want to look like this, talk like this. Okay, so vision board, not bode. Vision board. So what a vision board is basically you can find the photos on the internet of things that the goals that you want to hit. So your exciting goals. Make a vision board. Print out these photos, the things that you want to get. Things that you want to achieve, the exciting goals. So it gives you it in front of your face and you got vision of it. You can see it. And it's there. Think about it. Think about it. Just think about it. That's it. Okay, so if you're constantly thinking about it, how are you going to be negative? If you're constantly thinking about your exciting goals, you're excited, you're jumping up and down, you're happy, you're like, these are the goals I'm going to get. So you got to be thinking that you've already achieved them goals, because if you act as if, mentally you're gonna attract it. So think about it constantly. Have a look at your vision board. Read your exciting goals every morning. Make yourself feel good. A really good way to get negative thinking out of the old Johnny John up here. The old thing up here. 3. Okay, when something Goes wrong, it's not the end of the world. Okay? Something goes wrong. Okay? Something small goes wrong. So people that are thinking negative, if it's something as tiny as anything, doesn't matter what it is, something really small, you know, like stubbing your toe or something like that, they're like, ugh, everything happens to me, everything wrong happens to me, oh shit, oh damn. Be a problem solver, not a problem creator. So you're creating problems in your life when something small happens. Okay, let's say you rip your pants. Okay, you've ripped your pants. You spilt something on your shirt. Change your shirt. You rip your pants. Change your pants. If it's something that you can fix, then don't worry about it. If it's something that you can't fix, then don't worry about it. Something can always be done. You don't have to let something small or something, even something big, control the way that you think. You be positive because you control your own mind. You control if you're positive or not. And plus, let's say something does go wrong. If you resolve that issue, you achieve something. So it gives you dopamine. You know, if a problem does go wrong, fantastic. I'm going to try and fix it. Boom, I fixed it. I'm the man. Bang. Ha. Killing it. What's on the next thing that we talk about? Be grateful. Be grateful, okay? So be grateful for what you already do have. This will make you a lot more positive. Ask yourself what it is. Sit down, take the time, give yourself 5 things to be grateful about that you know that you're grateful about. Let's say, you know, you've got a roof over your head, you've got food, you've got water, you've got eyes, you've got ears. You know, you're grateful for something. Okay? There was this one method that I heard that someone used, is that every single time they're feeling down or they're feeling negative or something like that, they'll get a rock, right? They'll pull out their rock, their special rock that they found, and every time they got out that rock, they'll think about the things that they're grateful about. The rock is a reminder that, you know, of what things that you can be grateful for. You don't have to have a rock, but that's just what someone else, you know, used. Say them to yourself. So let's say you have your list of 5 things that you're grateful about. Every morning you can, you know, you just say to yourself that you're grateful for, you know, the food that I have, grateful for the roof over my head, grateful for my family, grateful for my friends, grateful for my health, you know, whatever it is, you know, grateful for the sun. Always something to be grateful about. Funny thing is, right, once you start thinking more positive, okay, so you'll go to work and you'll be like, like, you know, like you're remembering in your head how you're like, it was all shit, everything's shit. You'll go to work and you'll be like, oh, this is awesome. This actually isn't too bad. Oh, this is actually a pretty good job. Or, you know, or you'll go to the gym. Oh, this gym isn't actually too bad. Or, you know, you'll go to wherever that person's actually not too bad. You know, like you'll start to realize that it's all a mindset. It's all a mind frame that you've created for yourself. Say them to yourself. You're constantly saying, you know, that I'm grateful for this. You know, you're going to be grateful. You're going to be positive. There's no way you can't be. Even in that list of things that you're grateful for, put in that list things that you want to be grateful for. So let's say I'm grateful for my Audi R8. I'm grateful for, you know, how confident I am. Something that you want to be, or one of your goals, you know, and pretend that you already have it. Because if you're constantly thinking about it, it's going to attract to you, okay? So if you're constantly saying, I'm grateful for me being a damn genius, I'm grateful for me being a damn legend, alright? All the time, you're going to be thinking, I'm a legend, I'm a legend, I'm a legend. And then what are you? I'm fucking legend. Legend. Be grateful for what you do have, and trust me, you'll be positive as damn anything. Positivity will not be a problem. Another one. Diet. When you have a bad diet, it actually will affect symptoms like depression and anxiety. What it actually does, having a good diet, it improves your mood. You know, you look good when you have a better diet and you feel good. You know, at the end of the day, you're looking good, you feel good, good mind, good body, good results. Diet is extremely important, probably one of the most important ones out of all these things on this list. The impact that it makes on your life when you are healthy, mentally and physically, just feel more positive. Negativity won't be a thing, because if you follow them and you do what I've spoken about today and you use it, you take it in a positive way, you will be a more positive person, okay? and life will start being easy for you. Everything will start going better. You'll attract people that you want to attract, people that are happy, the people that are positive, people that are getting shit done. Alright guys, if you like this video, remember to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Share it to your friends, your family, your cousins, your brothers, your sisters, and your sons, and your someone else. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Don't wait up. Be positive and get shit done.